Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a herb saver from TEMU for extremely cheap. So to buy a, TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provide a 90-day return policy. So I will directly search for here for the herb saver pot. Okay, pod. Here we can see. So I will go with these ones. Okay. So this product will cost you on Amazon about $35.99. Okay, but here you are just paying $12.47. Okay, so here we can see it will be looking like something this. So to buy this, you will like here we can see some detail. Okay, so it like here from here you can just put your plant in a pot and it will be like half will be saved properly. So to buy, you will just click on add to cart button, then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a herb saver pot on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.